Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain to you how to connect a PS4 controller to your Android phone or tablet, a step-by-step guide. Feel free to comment if you have any questions, like and subscribe. Let's start. While numerous premium and excellent Android controller options exist, if you own a Sony PlayStation 4 or 5, you can connect and use your DualShock 4 controller on your Android device. The best part is that these sturdy controllers are relatively easy to set up. All it requires is to connect the controller via USB or Bluetooth, and your device is running Android 10 or higher. After you've successfully set up your PS4 controller, you can test it with phenomenal games that work well with controllers. To get started, keep watching my guide in this quick video. How to connect a DualShock 4 to your Android device via Bluetooth. Just like your PlayStation 4 console, your DualShock 4 can connect to your Android device via Bluetooth. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you can also connect your PS4 controller via Bluetooth. Number 1. Press and hold the PS and share buttons on your DualShock 4 until it enters pairing mode, shown by the flashing white light bar on the back of the controller. Number 2. Open your Android phone's Settings app. Number 3. Search Bluetooth in your Settings app search bar and open the Bluetooth menu. Number 4. Tap Pair New Device. Number 5. Tap DualShock 4 from the list of available devices. How to connect a DualShock 4 to your Android device via USB. Connecting your DualShock 4 to your Android device via USB provides a more reliable connection, although it will drain your phone's battery faster. However, the cable that comes with your DualShock 4 controller isn't compatible with the USB-C port on your Android device. You'll need a USB-A/USB-C adapter or a USB-C to micro-USB cable. After you've plugged in the right cable or adapter, you can simply plug and play. No setup is needed. I hope I made that clear. See you in the next video. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.